Hubbard Hall, our people, your problem solvers. What you will see in this demonstration is Hubbard Hall's Lusterclean 40LF effectively removing heavy process oils from aluminum fasteners. We are using the mildly alkaline liquid Lusterclean 40LF on these aluminum fasteners because they are fabricated from a soft aluminum alloy and we do not want to etch the aluminum. In this application, we're showing Lusterclean 40LF at 5% by volume. The solution is heated to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll put the parts in the beaker with mild agitation and they'll typically remain in the solution for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Because this is a laboratory unit for demonstration purposes, we won't dry them. You will see how bright and shiny they are and how free of oil and dark particulate residue they are. In a manufacturing operation, these parts would be rinsed and dried with centrifugal drying equipment and require no further treatments.